I'm Dr. Sarah Villafranco, and today we're talking about zits. They're so annoying, and they happen at basically every age, even 46. There are so many products on the market to treat blemishes, but most of them are really drying. They're designed to sort of detonate the zit on your face and leave you with a crusty, angry mess. When I designed Spotless Blemish Oil, it was more with the idea that we're trying to get the zit to change its mind and slowly back out of the room. The best way to use Spotless Blemish Oil is to apply it 3 or 4 times a day as a last layer in your routine. This is potent stuff. You do not need to apply it all over your face. That means that even after you've put on your moisturizer, your serums, your foundation, this is the last step. To apply it, I like to roll it onto a clean pinky finger or a clean Q-tip and apply it directly and only to the blemish itself. Did I mention? It smells amazing. Ideally, you carry this with you at all times, but if you only get to it once a day, do it before bed. Do your whole nighttime routine, your moisturizer, your eye cream, whatever you're doing, and then apply this as the last step and let it work its magic overnight. Now you know. Secret weapon.